In this video, you will learn how to add a percentage symbol in Excel without changing the actual values of your data. First things first, select the column that contains the numbers you want to format. Simply click on the letter at the top of the column. This highlights all cells within that column. Next, right-click anywhere within the highlighted area. A context menu will pop up with various options. From this menu, choose Format Cells. This action opens a new window where you can customize how your data is displayed. In the Format Cells window, you'll see several tabs at the top: Number, Alignment, Font, Border, Fill, and Protection. Make sure you're under the Number tab. Now look for Custom from the list on the left side and select it. In this section, you'll notice a field labeled Type. By default, it should be set to General. To begin customizing your format, delete whatever is currently in that field. Here's where it gets interesting. To display your numbers as percentages while retaining their original value, type in 0%. The 0 represents whole numbers. Adding a backslash before the percentage symbol tells Excel to treat it literally rather than performing any calculations. Once you've entered 0%, click OK at the bottom of this window. Your selected cells will now display percentage symbols next to their respective numbers without altering their actual values. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.